Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we are working on the 1972 VW Super Beetle. It's the ongoing series of basically rewiring this thing, putting it back together, and today I'm going to give you guys an update. As you guys if you've been following the series, you'll know that I've got the taillights going, the tag light going, still working on the headlights. You can tell I got all the manuals out, test lights, tools, cars on the ramps, basically just wiring or taking one wire at a time and finding a home for it. Let me go up front real quick. All right, so we're back up front, and I want to give you guys a quick tip on electrical that I just figured out myself as I've been going and working on the electrical and trying to get the lights back on the speedometer. And what I realized is you just can't turn the headlight switch on and expect the bulbs to light up. And I thought it was, just adjust the dimmer switch and it would possibly light the bulb up, but that's not the fact. The fact is when you put this inside the case, then I guess it grounds this case, and then it lights the bulb up. And speaking of that, I got a question for you guys that hopefully you can answer. Let me go get the spacer real quick. So this is a, just as an example, this is a speedometer out of the older Super Beetle, or older Beetle, but for the purpose of this question, it's all the same. Question is I got this plastic case or insert sleeve or whatever you want to call it, and I know it came out of the 1972 Super Beetle. So you guys get a good look at it. I don't know if they all should have this, but that's where the bulb slides into the into this, and I don't know if it's just a single port or a single slot. It goes in all of them. So question is are they all supposed to have this plastic sleeve, and or is it only just one position, like I don't know, the oil light, generator light, or turn signal? Is there a reason why this is plastic and not the normal where the bulb just slides into the insert for the bulb here, the bulb holder? So this is a plastic bulb holder, I guess. The back here would be where the wires would go, and this part would be where the bulb goes, and it fits all the bulb holes. So comment below if you guys know how many this thing's supposed to have, or if it's a one location or isolation only. I would appreciate the information. So to end this, I guess we're going to let you see what I've accomplished today. Like I said, it's an update. So let's go to the inside of the car real quick. All right, so we're back inside the car, and I want to give you guys a quick update on how far I've gotten with the speedometer. Now, these lights that are lit up, that's just the sunlight going through, hitting on the garage side, the trunk side. But when you turn the headlight switch on, we got lights. So that's a good sign. It's a positive direction. Still having a problem. Have not got the starter back from Napa. That's just becoming a disaster. I'm going to give them till tonight at 5 o'clock, like they said, because I'm supposed to be getting a true Bosch brand new unit versus a remanufactured. So let's see what they're going to do. If they don't have it, then I'm just going to go ahead and get my money back. And a couple of YouTubers have reached out and said that they can get a brand new starter from Bosch. So we may have to go that route, because we got to get this thing fired back up. Got to get it back on the road, or at least road worthy, because that's the next step in this. So I want to thank you guys for all your support, your continued support, all your comments on the nightly videos about questions I may have. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me. And like always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. Thank you for your support. Oh, one more thing. For all the new subscribers, comment below. Let me know if you guys if you guys are posting video, or if you're a channel that wants for me to subscribe and watch your videos. Just comment below. Don't be afraid to reach out, because, you know, I'm not afraid to watch your videos. I probably watch 4 or 5, 6 hours a night of videos. Comment on every video. I try to comment on everybody who comments to me. I do. It's a very top priority for me and my YouTube channel. So thank you guys. I support all VW channels, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay warm, and God bless.